Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by unboxing and charging the Apple Ultra 2 to full battery. Connect the included USB-C charger and charge until the device reaches 100%. Turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone and open the watch app to begin pairing. Position the watch near the phone and follow the on-screen animation to link devices. Choose to restore from backup or set up as new depending on preference. Install any watch OS updates when prompted to get the latest features and security patches. Wake the Apple Ultra 2 by tapping the screen or pressing the digital crown. Swipe left or right to change watch faces and swipe up for Control Center. Press the digital crown once to open the app grid or list view. Force press the face to customize complications, colors, and layout for quick access. Assign the action button to workouts or a shortcut in settings for one-press actions. Use haptic taps and ambient brightness adjustments to refine how the watch notifies and appears. Open the workout app to start runs, swims, hikes, or custom activities with precise GPS. Configure metrics such as distance, heart rate zones, and cadence in the workout settings for better feedback. Enable cellular service if available and set up emergency SOS and fall detection in settings for safety. Add medical ID details including allergies and emergency contacts to improve response in an incident. Clean the screen and sensors after workouts and install updates regularly to maintain performance and measurement accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.